Preview.
Parikshit, why are you sleeping? Your friends are waiting for you. Your friends are waiting for you. Yes, so?
Hey friends, have you got watches? I have got a lot of watches.
Oh. So today what are we going to draw?
I have got 30,000
Okay,
watches.
so today we are going to draw a wristwatch. And what do we need?
Watch.
A black sketch pen,
And paper
white
that
paper
will
and
need to
colors.
color.
What would the shape of the wristwatch be?
You don't draw today.
Okay, I'll not draw. Let's start. So you want a round wristwatch?
Yeah. Because it's much easier to make. Actually.
Make a circle. Another circle.
12, 1, 2, 3.
No, it's not like that.
Yes.
We never do it like this. See how do we do? We write a 12 here. We write a 6 here. We write a 9 here. We write a 3 here. Then we write 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. That is how we draw.
Okay. 12, 6.
So now let's make the wristband.
9.
How do we make the band?
1, 2, 4, 5.
It's going to be a very poor drawing.
Right here. 10, 11.
And the visual. My wristwatch is ready. Let us do a little bit of designs.
My wristwatch is about to get a little ready.
Okay. Let's make this.
I am done.
Yes. Are you done? Let's color it. What color do we use? Let's do it with some interesting colors. Sky blue color.
I'm doing my way.
Okay. Yeah.
One for our face, one for our drawing.
Is it?
Yes.
So by the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, let me share you some good information. For those who are watching this video for the first time, do not forget, this is for the parents. Do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub. And if you want to buy these drawing books, do visit us on our website www.kidsfunlearnclub.com/books. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye. Oh, sorry, Parikshit is still coloring. Wow, what a colorful WATCH.
West.
West watch.
West.
Okay.
Watch. O A T
C
C.
H. And we are done with the drawing.
The West watch.
The West watch. Wow, what a name. The West watch.
The West watch.